In language, determiners are important for telling us more about the nouns they describe. Today, let's learn about countable and uncountable nouns and how determiners help us talk about how much or how many of something there are. Countable nouns are things we can count, like apples or chairs. 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 chair, 2 chairs. Uncountable nouns are things we can't easily count, like water or happiness. We cannot say 1 water. We can say 1 cup of water because that cup is countable, but the water is uncountable. When we use a determiner for a countable noun, we can say the number or quantity of individual items. Common examples include, I have 3 books on my shelf. She needs a new laptop for her work. Determiners for uncountable nouns help us talk about the amount or portion of something. Examples of these determiners are some, a little, enough, and so on. I would like some advice on this software matter. He showed me a little kindness when I needed it most. Using much and many. Much is used with uncountable nouns, indicating a large quantity or degree. There is much respect in this team. Many is used with countable nouns to show a large number. There are many developers working on this project. Let's talk about possession. There are determiners that show possession, such as my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, and they tell us who owns something. It does not matter if the noun is countable or uncountable. For example, this is my laptop. She enjoyed her music. Using few and little. Few is used with countable nouns to indicate a small number. There are few opportunities left. Little is used with uncountable nouns, suggesting a small quantity or amount. He has little time, so be quick. There are determiners such as no and none, which are used to express absence. There is no sugar in my coffee. She has none of the required documents. The, a, and an. The is used before a specific noun or when talking about something that both the speaker and the listener know. The software helps me manage my tasks efficiently. A and an are used before a non-specific noun or when talking about something for the first time. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound, while an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, I bought a new laptop. We went to a meeting yesterday. She gave a presentation about security. This is an excellent team. It is an interesting group of people. She is an honest person. Knowing how to use words that show the amount of things you can count or not count helps you talk more clearly. Whether you're talking about stuff or ideas, learning these words will help you say things clearly and in the right way.